Good teaching is more of giving you right questions than just giving you right answers. Is coaching necessary? Is it mandatory to join a program in order to crack entrance? So, does it really serve the purpose? These are some of the burning questions which we all have during our preparation phase, isn't it? Remember, coaching is not just about providing you a ready-made, passive, spoon-fed material. Given the fact that we have plenty of information available online or offline, do you think receiving another set of passivating, ready-made, spoon-fed material serves the purpose? Then what is coaching all about? Coaching is all about making you realize your potential. It's all about inspiring you. It's all about channeling all your energies in the right direction. And whether you join a program or not, let me ask you this question. Who is responsible for your preparation? Don't you think you are in charge of your preparation? If you feel that you are in charge of your preparation, if you realize the fact that you are responsible for your own achievements, then you look for ways to empower yourself and to enhance your preparation. And our program is meant for that. It's not just about providing you e-classes, tests, and study club discussions. It's all about empowering you. It's all about inspiring you. It's all about making you realize your own potential. So, the bottom line is, it's not the kind of material we receive in the name of coaching. It's all about how motivated we are in the process of achieving our goals. And most importantly, good teaching is more of giving you right questions than just giving you right answers. So is coaching necessary to crack entrance?